Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Michelle coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, April 12, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 54 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 70 and a low of 42, with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Hussein, Noah, Hamza, Augustia, Romir. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Sox won against the Tampa Bay Rays with a score of 2-1. And the Cubs won against the Pittsburgh Pirates by a score of 13-5. Clubs meeting today are second grade primary reading club in room 201 at 11:20 and Rocket Club in room 116 at 3 o'clock. Today's announcements are tonight is family dining night at Jason's Deli. Part of your purchase will be donated to Hoover School. Attention all 5th grade students. If you are interested in joining the production studio next year, applications will be in the library and are due next Thursday. A limited number of students will be selected. Today is Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and buy a slice of pizza for only $2. Now please watch this PBIS Cool Tool video for the month of April.
Ding, ding, ding! The bell has rung.
Kira and Katie are running up the stairs for a
This is
club.
gonna be so cool. I know. I'm so excited. Let's race. Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Strike! Kira, are you okay? Yeah. I'm sorry, Kira. It's okay. Next time, try to walk. And let's all remember to be respectful, responsible, and safe during dismissal.
Bye.
Now a message from Mrs. Ankrum and Miss Canoon.
Good morning, wonderful, lovely Hoover staff and students. The weather is continuing to get so much warmer.
I'm so excited.
Yes, the sun's out and it's very windy out there, which actually works with our National Wind Day. So that worked out well.
It is, and I think it's the first day I haven't worn my black winter North
Yeah.
Face hoodie
Same.
and coat. So it's, I
Same,
know, we
right.
just heard don't put it away. It snow is coming, but we're gonna enjoy today.
Yes.
National Grilled Cheese Sandwich
Sandwich Day.
Day. If you like grilled cheese, there you go.
And National Licorice Day, which Mrs. Canoon loves licorice. She
I
left
love
some on my
licorice.
floor in my office
I
yesterday.
love licorice. I love licorice, but I like it stale.
Yes,
That's
she likes
weird.
it
I like
stale.
it stale.
She offered me licorice, but she said, just so you know, I keep it open so it gets stale. And then yeah, but I do get the stale. They do taste pretty good stale. So do gummy bears. But then she dropped some on my floor, and I had licorice all over my floor yesterday. So you were a day too early.
I was.
All right. No, I ate it.
She
Just kidding. I did not eat it. I
Don't
threw
do
it
that.
out. Don't eat off the floor. All right. On that note, stay classy, Hoover.
Thank you, Mrs. Ankrum and Miss Canoon. Thursday's thought is, if you wish to know the mind of a person, listen to their words. If you want to know their heart, watch their actions. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-ups are brought to you by the kindergarten class in room 109. Have a no think sheet Thursday.